welcome to Apex Reviews. Today we're going to be installing some red trunk lights in a C7 Z06 Corvette. I ordered these trunk lights from West Coast Corvette, along with some LED replacement license plate lights. The lights with the red connector are the ones we're going to be installing into the trunk. The kit came with this one page of instructions that tells you how to do both. In another video we'll do the license plate lights. The instructions were more than adequate. We'll start with the driver's side. I'm just using my pry tool to pop that light out. The directions tell you which side to pop out, and if you look at the light, you can see a little indentation where the pry tool would fit. Be careful popping that light out because it will be hot. I put some towels down on the bottom of the Corvette so that I wouldn't melt the carpet. The directions tell you to use a pencil to pop that light bulb out. I chose to use my pry tool. I believe in using the right tool for the job. I recommend using a pencil. You'll see when I do the other side that the pencil worked way better. It's just a one-for-one swap, so when I pull out the red LED, it slides right in. If it doesn't work at first, pull it out and rotate it 180 degrees. Then you just want to fit the light housing back into the car. It pops right in nice and easy. Now we're going to do the passenger side. You can see how much easier it is by using a pencil. It pops out really quick. Again, if the light doesn't come right on, just pull the bulb out, flip it 180 degrees, and slide it back in. I had to do this quite a few times. The LED light slides right in the housing and immediately comes on. Then you just put the light back in the car. This was one of the easiest projects I've done. Thanks for watching.